here we go. We are starting our next process here. We did our foundation, or we did our floor, we did our first floor, we did our roof. So we got all our walls done, we got all our tags taken care of, kind of can clean up this model. So I can start looking here, just make sure object roof gable, yep. Object wall, yep. And we can take care of that. So we know this is done. The last thing I have to do for the structure of this building is our foundation. So I'm going to come over here. Foundation walls, excuse me, are fairly simple. So this foundation here, we're going to start out by drawing on the bottom of the floor. Again, I have to draw that wall. Now I'm going to do my offset, which is underneath the push-pull tool or follow me tool. And foundation walls are 8 to 12 inches thick. So we're going to do 8 for our offset and bring it in. Now the height of the foundation wall, the bottom floor in the foundation is 4 inches thick. So the height, if we want to get a 8-foot ceiling down here, the height has to be 8'4". I prefer 9-foot foundations. The only reason I prefer 9-foot foundations is then you can, if you have any drop ceiling for ductwork, you still have an 8-foot ceiling. You can do a false ceiling and it'll be 8 foot. So we're going to go 9'4" with our push-pull, which is underneath the offset tool. Foot 4 inches. And we're going to make this a group. Or make a component. OB, our foundation walls. Hit OK. Right inside the foundation wall. Come across inside here. And now this where I need to hide this. So I'm going to make a new tag. And I'm going to copy this tag's name for object wall. Make a new tag down here. Actually, instead of doing that, let's just put it on the wall. Tag. So entity info, untagged, object wall. Then I can come here and turn off the object wall tag. Now I have my floor there. Push pull that up. 4 inches. Triple click, right click, make component, foundation, floor. So it'd be just like this. If I wanted to make walls and stuff down on the foundation, I could. Foundation, floor. I'm going to put that here on the object floor layer. Not the patio. walls back on. Now the last thing I have to do is create what's called a footing. So this wall, if it just sits on the ground like this, has all the weight of the house, it just pushes right down into the dirt. So we have to do a footing. The footing is typically the same thickness as the wall and twice as wide. So we're going to do a footing, and the first thing I'm going to do is go here to here with a line, and here to here with a line, and I'm going to do a rectangle from the midpoint to the midpoint. That'll get me halfway on that wall. And I can erase out that little rectangle I just made. Now this wall is 8 inches this way, so we're going to go offset. Not sure why it's not giving me my surface. There, it gave me my surface. Eight. Offset out. 8. Erase what I don't need. Turn off my object wall and my object floor now. And try to finish this out. There we go. That's looking better. 8 inches in. 8 inches out. Erase that center line. So now I have a 16-inch wide floor or wall foundation. I just used the select tool, clicked in the center and deleted it. And then I'm going to push pull. I'm going to slide it down, and I'm going to call it 8 inches. And if I set back my object wall on and my object floor back on, I now have my footing and my floor and all of that information. So I'm going to triple click on that, right click, make component, and call that footing. And I'm going to put that on the object wall layer. So that'll turn on and off with the walls. And that is how we make our foundation of our house.